In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io's lead prioritization features effectively so you can take your sales and lead management to the next level. Apollo.io is an incredibly powerful tool, and if you're looking to streamline your outreach and get smarter about which leads to target, this guide is for you. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing how you can access this software completely free, with some exclusive bonuses to kickstart your lead generation. First, let's dive into Apollo.io's lead prioritization features, which are essential for any business looking to maximize its sales efforts. Apollo.io uses advanced AI and data-driven insights to help you prioritize leads based on factors that matter the most, like engagement history, fit, and your company's specific criteria. One of the standout features is the Lotdown lead scoring system. It automatically assigns scores to your leads based on their likelihood to convert. It takes into account engagement levels, such as whether a lead has opened your emails or clicked on your website links. By scoring your leads this way, you can focus on the ones most likely to close, which saves time and energy. Now, when you're navigating Apollo.io, you'll notice it offers several filters that allow you to narrow down your search for top quality leads. You can filter by company size, industry, arts, geography, and even technology stack. These filters are really helpful for segmenting your leads based on your target market and giving you a clear picture of where your highest value prospects lie. Another key feature is the lead lists on tool. This lets you group your leads by categories or specific traits that are important for your business. You can easily add leads to custom lists and prioritize them based on your scoring or any other criteria you choose. If you're looking to target a certain industry or geographic location, it's simple to tailor your approach. Let's not forget about the automated outreach Apollo.io offers. This is another great feature for lead prioritization. Once you've narrowed down your top leads, Apollo.io's automation allows you to reach out via personalized email sequences. These emails can be automatically triggered based on lead activity, so you can engage at just the right moment when a lead is showing interest. A key to using these features effectively is integration. Apollo.io integrates seamlessly with other tools like CRM systems and email marketing platforms. This means your lead prioritization and outreach efforts can work in harmony with the rest of your marketing and sales efforts, keeping everything centralized and easy to manage. Apollo.io also provides insights into kakunpawai competitor activity. By understanding who else your leads are engaging with, you can position your messaging in a way that speaks to your leads' current needs, making your outreach more compelling and timely. And finally, let's talk about the analytics. Apollo.io gives you detailed reports on your lead prioritization efforts, so you can track what's working and where there might be room for improvement. With this data, you can fine-tune your approach to maximize the return on your lead generation. Now, if you want to start using Apollo.io and take advantage of its full suite of lead prioritization features, you can access this software completely free through the first link below. And remember, there's an exclusive bonus for you that you can't get anywhere else. In conclusion, Apollo.io's lead prioritization features are a game changer. They give you the tools to identify, score, and engage with your best leads efficiently, all while saving time and improving your conversion rates. With its easy-to-use interface and robust set of features, it's a must-have for anyone serious about scaling their sales. Don't forget to click the link below to get your exclusive free trial with bonuses today.